This is my code as used for the assignment, the fourth assignment of the class. So the first thing I did was I defined the remaining reforestation rate, or reforestation, the acres remain, which is 2,500. I also defined the reforestation rate with 0.02 and the total acres 14,000. So in the main, the next thing I did was declare the choice of number the user is going to use, and also declare the number of acres the user is going to enter. So in the part of the main code, I used the do while loop, which is important to clear the input buffer. So after that, the next line of code is the menu and the necessary things that we need to write. I need to display it according to instructions given. So after that, I place the conditions for the user, what the user is going to get if they put in the following numbers 1, 2, 3, or anything other than 1, 2, 3. So the first thing I did, I used the if statement for n less than 1 and n greater than 3, that the program will show an invalid selection and the person must enter a value between 1 and 3. So and I have the code for if the user chooses n equals to 1. So I have the printf statement and for the years, acres, and the dashes on there. And I use the for statement to create the loop from 1 to 20, and also the formula to find the corresponding acres, which corresponds to the years from the 1st to the 20th. So the next line of code is for when the user puts n equals to 2, which is supposed to reveal the number of years it takes to complete reforestation when you enter the number of acres left. So I use the while loop for when the user enters a number less than the maximum, which is 14,000. And after that, as long as the number isn't too low, it will print out the number of years remain to complete deforestation. And the next line of code is for when the user selects number 3, or the third option, which exits the user out of the code. When I was doing this lab, I actually had a problem, because whenever I try to put a number that is either less than 1 or greater than 3, sometimes the invalid selection, the printf statement under it or in the if statement would not show in the code. So I don't know what the problem is, but I tried so many times to do it.